Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. Perfect. Today's topic is business during lockdown. So, what businesses am I into? Catering, baking, tuck shop, and trading, and a new business that I cannot tell you about yet. How was catering affected by the pandemic? Since we're in lockdown, no functions were happening, so that meant no business. So before the lockdown in December of 2019, I had my first catering jobs, which I will insert some pictures as I am talking on the bottom side. So that was my first catering job last year December. Things were pretty slow, but they were starting to pick up before the COVID started hitting. We have moved down to level 1 of the lockdown, but things are still pretty slow. People are still being very cautious when it comes to having functions, and I'm back to advertising online, but things are still pretty slow. And I'm thinking of changing my website to be a little bit more informative and interactive with people. So that's gonna be my solution as well to the slow business. How the baking was affected. So most of the sales that I made for baking were at my mom's work. So in that case, when the lockdown happened, she was no longer going to work. So that means I couldn't sell at her work. That means that most of that had stopped, and I was not really selling to anybody. So now that restrictions have been eased and people are going back to work, there are still rules in place at her place of work that she cannot sell anything yet. So that for me, the baking side is still pretty non-existent at the moment. Was affected. Actually, the tag shop was doing way better because I usually sell to kids around the neighborhood. Since they were all at home, that meant that most of them, instead of buying in school, they were buying at home. So that's when I was making a little bit more of like money during the lockdown, because it was at home and there were more kids at home. But at the same time, of course, because it was COVID and everybody was at home, competition started. Basically, copy and paste of somebody else's business, but basically competition started and somebody else opened a similar business, or actually not really opened a similar business. They had a business that was doing something else. Then during COVID, then they started copying things that I had, and I guess going after the market that I had. But in any case, my business is suffered for a little bit, but it's still doing well enough. Okay, and another thing is the new business venture that I'm in right now, which is starting a new tech business. It's still in the development, it's still in the developmental stages, and the lockdown gave us an opportunity to do some registrations and all of those things and planning. So in that case, it has been it might have been slowed down a little bit because we can't meet in the same place, but at the same time it was good because we had more than enough time to actually do a lot of the things that needed to be done and discussed. So guys, that business will be coming in soon. So basically that is how lockdown has been affecting my business. For the moment, my tax shop enables me to pay for my business account and my website. So at the moment, it is doing well enough that I can survive on that money. Um, so basically, that's it. And guys, thank you for watching. And if you can, and you're in South Africa or the Tanzania area, please, and you want to patronize my business, I'm gonna leave my number, my business WhatsApp number, and my website, where you can reach me if you want if you want any quotation for the number of people for services or anything like that, guys. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the side so that you do get notified the moment I drop a new video. Guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye. Perfect.